I gotta take no show proof for this nigga not playing me. Do you know that stupid Buffalo Bolts kid? He left. Nope. Where's this Buffalo Bolts kid? I just had him. No, I was like, do you know who I am? He's like, no, I have no idea, man. I'm like, alright. I'm gonna add him again. He keeps declining my friend request and shit when I try to invite him to the game, you little bitch. This nigga ain't even joining. Alrighty then. GG. This kid just got the Duke. Well, actually didn't even show up, but he knows that's just me. Ooh.